Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new here, welcome. I'm Jessie J MUA, and today's video is going to be the Jeffree Star Deluxe mystery box. And basically I took to my Instagram. If you're not following me there, please go do so. It's Jessie J MUA. I did a poll and asked if you guys wanted to see the deluxe mystery box and this mini mystery box separate videos. And of course, together, they won together. I know it was really close. A lot of people wanted them separate, but I got this, and I was running a bunch of errands yesterday, so by the time I came home, I was like, you know what, this one's already going to be here today, so I'll just wait. And you guys, if you haven't already seen my video for the premium mystery box unboxing, please go watch that one as well. And you know, we're just gonna jump right into the video, and I guess we will start with the mini mystery box first. Alright, has more green packaging. Alright, the first item we have is another pop socket. I actually like this one. I like the neon color. As you can tell, I like neon. This one's neon with black, and this is Jeffree Star logo. So this is one of the items. The next item we have is a velour liquid lip, and it's in the shade First Class. I don't have this one, so I'm pretty excited about that. And it's the, oh, it's like the gold one, like metallic, I think. So I don't have this one. And it's from one of the, which I don't remember which collection this was from, but you can see like the glitter, pink glitter packaging. This was from one of the collections as well. And then the last item, because there's only, this one only comes with 3 items. And the last item is another velour liquid lipstick, and it's in the shade Scandal. And it's from the holiday, I believe, collection. And it's this pretty glitter packaging. I really like the packaging for this one. And this one is like a mauve color. This one's pretty. Not something that I would like normally use or gravitate to, but it's pretty. I don't know if it has any, like, it looks like it had like some glitter flecks in it, but I'm not too sure. So anyways, this box was $20, I believe, and it came with these 3 items. All right, so for the deluxe box, that box was, I believe, $70. Let me double check, but I'm pretty sure that one was $70, and I think it's supposed to come with 10 items. Yeah, so the mini box was a $50 value for $20. The premium box was a $94 value for $45, and the deluxe box is a $175 value for $70. So this is, it was 60 to 40% when I did the poll on Instagram. But here is the deluxe size box. I honestly thought it would be much bigger. I really wish I would have got that mystery box, I think for like Black Friday, whenever he did it. It was so huge. It came with like a hoodie. It came with a sweatshirt, or not a sweatshirt, a t-shirt. They were like limited edition, like, to that box. I wish I would have really got that one. Ugh. So now it's like I get them all the time thinking I'm missing out on something, and honestly they really haven't been that great. It's great for things that you don't already have, but this premium mystery box that I got, it was a flop, and I'll get into that in a minute. So this one has like orange paper. I'm kind of bummed it didn't come with all the little stars. I like when he puts like the stars on them. I have some somewhere, like when they come like normally with a pink. Let me see. Yeah, they come like this with the stars all over it. All right, so I don't want to like look in there right away. I'm just gonna grab things out like one by one. All right, the first item is another velour liquid lip in the shade Poncera. All right, I don't think I have this one either. So that's cool. And this is probably from one of his holiday collections too. Oh, this is really pretty. That's really pretty. Alright, so I don't have this. Alright. Next item we have is, oh, another mystery color. I'll probably put this in a giveaway because I already got this one in the premium box. They own the mystery color for the Jeffree Star summer collection. Only came in the summer mystery box in the premium and the deluxe one. And if you go watch my previous video, you'll see like I swatched it on my hand. I don't want to swatch this one because I want to put it in a giveaway. So this one will be put to the side for a giveaway. Alright, the next item we have is a, oh, I'm pretty sure I already have one of these. I got one of these in a mystery box already. Androgyny lip liner. I'm not going to take this out of the box either because I'll put this in a giveaway as well. I already have one of these. Alright, next item we have is another liquid lip. I think this was from the family collection. And this is in the shade Diva. I don't have this one. I'm pretty sure I don't have this one. It's pink. But I'm not going to swatch it just in case so I can make sure that I don't have it. And I'm not really into like pink lipsticks. I might use it as like a eyeliner or something. I'm not always into pink. So, but I'm going to put this to the side in the giveaway pile just to make sure and check. The next item we have is Celebrity Skin Velour Liquid Lip. I have this one as well. This is one of my favorite nudes. So I'm not going to swatch this either. If you guys want to see swatches of any of these colors, just go ahead and feel free to DM me on my Instagram. I try to get back and check them as often as I can. But if you want to see swatches of anything that I have, feel free to message me over there. But I'm going to put this in a giveaway as well. The next thing we have is a Supreme, oh cool, Supreme Frost in Money Honey. And I think this is from the new collection, the summer collection. Yes, it is. I really wanted this one. I don't have this. I want to see how pretty this is. Let's see. Yeah, that's super pretty. I don't know if you can see it. If you could see right there, right here in the middle. I'm really excited about this. I don't have this. Alright, the next item we have is a liquid, or excuse me, velour lip scrub in the scent Pumpkin Pie, and I don't have this one either, so I'm happy about that. And I love the packaging. It's from the holiday collection. Oh my gosh, if you don't have this one and you haven't smelled it, it smells like a fresh piece or a fresh slice of pumpkin pie. It smells really good. So I'm happy about that because I love the lip scrubs. I usually try to get like a lot of them. The next item we have is another pop socket. I'm going to put this in a giveaway as well because I got this one in the premium boxes color. So that's going to be in a giveaway. Next item, oh cool, that's cool. You get a Jeffree Star straw, an individual straw. So that's awesome. I have these. I actually have these. I have another video that I haven't put up yet. I know I've got to recheck it because I think I lost footage about the straws. But he also came out with black, green, and blue metal straws. And I have a video about that. So I'm definitely putting this one in a giveaway as well because I have all these already. And I think the last item is, oh, this is super freaking cool. Alright, I think this is probably the best thing out of this box. Alright. We have a Jeffree Star How High Are Ya t-shirt. I don't have this one. I don't really like care for like the back too much, but hey, it's a Jeffree Star t-shirt. I love the Jeffree Star t-shirts and I love this neon logo, so this is really cool. Definitely excited about this. So these were all the items that came in the box. So a shirt, a Supreme Frost, that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, 10 items came in the box. Yeah, and all right, so basically I love buying mystery boxes. If there's some that are available that you could buy again, I rather buy them first so you guys don't have to. Of course, his always sell out. That's just always guaranteed. The only bad thing about mystery boxes is that they're hit or miss, and basically what that means is either you get something good or you get probably shit that didn't sell, or colors that you're never gonna wear. I'm a little disappointed, like I said, with the premium box, because I don't know if I have the Frozen Peach liquid highlight. I gotta check. If I don't, that's gonna be in a giveaway as well. But I got stuff that I got already in the Valentine's mystery boxes. And I was watching a video the other day from Nick Schneider, I think his name is, and he has a channel called The Viewer's Voice, I want to say. And he was talking about people getting expired stuff in their mystery boxes. I didn't get any other lip ammos in these other 2 mystery boxes, in the deluxe or the mini one, but I did get a lip ammo in the shade Gargoyle, if you go see my other video as well. And I guess people are seeing shit like little bubbles and stuff within the lipstick, like that whole Jaclyn Hill scandal. So I was like, you know what, I don't ever open these because I know the color that I have. I already have this, so I'm not even gonna open it. I was like, I'll probably just throw it in a giveaway. But I actually, when he said that and I watched that video, I went to go look at mine, and I do have them in mine too. I don't have like a macro lens for you to see the way it looks and the little bubbles, so I mean, it's hard. Maybe I'll insert photos. But basically I took photos of this and I emailed Jeffree Star the day that I got it. And usually Jeffree Star has some great customer service, I'll say, because the day of the launch for these, I actually had to order the mini box separate because of some site issues. And I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna wait around to purchase the deluxe and premium boxes. I'm just gonna do it right away because I want to make sure that they don't sell out. So I placed the order for that, and then I had to get the mini box solo, which I had to pay for shipping, which that kind of sucked. I know it sucks when you just like get one thing or something so small and they charge shipping, but whatever. So then I got an email back from PayPal saying that it didn't go through. I don't know if the item was sold out or something, because every time I was trying to add the mini box to my cart from with the other 2 boxes, it was saying error. So I was like, oh, okay, whatever, let me just place that order. So then finally, when I was able to place the order and put that in my cart, I get that email back, but it sure charged me. It did take it out of my account. So I was like, oh, okay, whatever. I'm gonna go try and see if they still have them. I'm gonna place the order again. So I went back in, I put another mini box to my cart, and I was able to actually check out successfully. I didn't get any message. I got a confirmation email from Jeffree Star Cosmetics almost instantly. And then an hour later, I get another email from Jeffree Star saying the previous order that PayPal told me got canceled actually went through. I was like, I don't need too many mystery boxes. That's fine. So I actually emailed Jeffree Star's customer service, and I told them that if they can cancel one of them, they instantly did and refunded me. And it usually says they'll respond in about 72 hours. Well, they responded within like 20 minutes, and I've never had any issue with the customer service. They've always been helpful. They've always been really prompt. So when I emailed them about this defective lip ammo, I didn't hear anything back from them till like maybe 2 days, I want to say, which is still within the time frame that they say. Probably knowing that every mystery box hasn't been shipped out yet. I think they were just finishing yesterday. Either way, they still emailed me back. They told me to take a picture of this and take a picture of my invoice, which it didn't come with an invoice. I took a picture of like the front packaging with the order number. I don't know. Then I get an email again today after I emailed them the picture and what they requested. I didn't hear nothing back. Then I hear back today, which was almost 24 hours later, and they're telling me again to send a picture of the invoice and pictures of the defective liquid or the defective lip ammo. At this point, I'm pretty frustrated because it's like, I send you the picture, I send you what you needed, either send me another one, give me a partial refund, do something, you know. And like I said, just because I like Jeffree Star and I like Jeffree Star Cosmetics doesn't gonna persuade me one way or another. If something's not good, something's not good. Look at all the crap that happened with Jaclyn Hill. She had a majority of her lipsticks that she launched with a bunch of like particles and hair and crap, bumpy crap in it, and she went ghost. Yes, she refunded everybody, but she went ghost. She deactivated her Instagram and she ran. And I think you should handle the situation instead of running. And if she could just sincerely apologize to everyone, then maybe people would give her another chance. But at this point, you know, this is a whole nother story. And I don't want that to be the case with Jeffree Star. I don't want that he's just putting shit in a mystery box to sell it. Doesn't care if it's expired, doesn't care that it's defective. I'm really hoping that he's not like that, because usually he's always upfront and honest about everything, and his customer service team is always A1. So I don't know, we'll see. I will keep you guys updated on that. You guys got to follow me on my Instagram as well, because usually I post a lot of things on my stories there. But yeah, anyways, that's everything for the mystery boxes. That was my little rant, but I did want to share something cool with you. I know you probably seen these going around on the internet, and they're little tiny washing machines so you can clean your beauty blenders. I used to have one of these when I was a kid, and I used to wash my dolls' clothes. They were for like Barbies. You wash your Barbie's clothes in them. So yeah, I used to have one of these. I thought it was so nostalgic. I was like, I'm gonna order it. I got it from Amazon. I tried it. It cleaned my beauty blender. It turns on, if you can hear. So if you can hear that, yeah, it turns on and everything, and then you drain it with this little tube right here. But the beauty blender gets so heavy, I think, and then it just stops the little spinner on the bottom. So I think I'm gonna try to wash it. Did wash it though. It washed it pretty good, and this one was pretty dirty. I'm gonna try to wash my brushes in there, and I'll probably do it on my Instagram, on my Insta story. If you guys want to see that, make sure you follow me at JessieJMUA. And like I said, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing a giveaway of all that stuff. I gotta put it together on here or my Instagram, but it'll probably be in the next video if I do it on here. But make sure that you're following me, that you subscribe to my channel. Go subscribe to my Instagram, and make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know if you got anything different or anything the same, if you ordered the mystery boxes as well. And make sure you share this video, okay? So I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, that's it. All right, bye guys.